Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of the mini TS100 digital OLED programmable interface DC5525 soldering iron station with built-in STM32 chip. So this is basically a soldering iron that is supposed to be really good, and it's small, and you can power it with a wide variety of input sources, since it has a wide voltage range it will work with. And I'm really interested to power this off of a LiPo, so I can run it on the field if I break something or rip a wire off. And it is freaking tiny. Oh, that's the wrong side. Okay, so let's check this out. I don't want to destroy anything. So this is it. Let's check if something else is in here. It's not. So then let's open this up. If you can actually open this up. Oh, okay, so I was looking for that. So this looks like a warranty card or something like that. Okay. That's how you put it together and how you load the files onto it. You can change the display. Oh, yeah. But I have to say, I'm surprised how tiny it is. I knew it would be small, but I didn't expect it to be that small. So let's check it out. The input voltage range is 12 to 24 volts. So what I'm going to be using for little at-home soldering jobs, this old PC, or better say notebook power supply, and it has 19 volts, so that should be pretty decent. And it just plugs in like this, but you can also use like a self-made cable, so that's actually not working. Interesting. Are those connectors different? If so, not by much. Weird. Okay. So I probably need to cut one of those connectors down, but that fits really nicely. So let's just give this a real quick plug-in and see if it explodes or not. Yeah, it's powering up. So that's actually all I want to see. So I'll power it down now. So, I know this is an unboxing, but I can't wait to just screw that thing in. Not sure why they put some extra screws in there, but normally you just loosen this up here, and this is actually... okay, so you're supposed to just screw on this side. This here. And it has a USB port for connecting to the PC. So let's unscrew this, put this in, let's check there's no scrub. So I can place it in any direction and just torque it down slightly. Yeah, I think that should do it. Cool. So let's weight it really quick. 30.88 grams. That's impressive, isn't it? Cool. It's so tiny. I'm always surprised how tiny this stuff is. Cool. And that feels so right. But you can see me. I mean, it might be better if it would be slightly bigger, but I think I can get away with it, and it's so cool. Okay, so let's get some really quick measurements going here. Zero this out. Let's change hands. So the tip gets really wide here, 5.59 millimeters, and then it's smaller here, 3.61 millimeters, and then it gets wider again here, 16.69 millimeters, and well, I would think it's the same here. 16.4949. And then I think this isn't long enough to, well, we can do it in two parts. So this is 96.7 millimeters, and this is roughly 69.51 millimeters. Yeah, so it's really a small package, and I really am positive that I'm going to like it. Yeah, so that's actually if you want to ground it, if you're soldering delicate stuff. I never actually ground myself for soldering delicate stuff, but yeah. That's probably why I break stuff. Okay, I think so much for the unboxing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.